Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Chase credit card online. Chase Bank is a major financial institution in the United States which offers a range of banking service including credit cards. To log into your Chase credit card online, simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell right next to it to never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to get started and into the URL box type in creditcards.chase.com and press enter. Once you end up in this official page, click on the sign in button appearing at the top right hand corner. Into the sign in area on the right hand side of the page, type in your username in the first text box. On the next field, type in the correct password associated with your Chase account. If you don't remember your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Similarly, if you're not enrolled into Chase online account yet, you can click on the Not Enrolled Sign Up Now link at the bottom and follow through the prompts. After entering your username and password, click on Sign In and you'll be able to get access to your Chase credit card in a matter of time. That is how you can easily log in to Chase credit card online account. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.